If you want to add a new contact on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case we can just open the phone app, and over here we're going to switch to contacts at the bottom. Now in the top right corner you should be able to find this plus, so let's tap over here, and now we can fill every data. So we can set up the name of our contact, we can add a photo, we can here press on add phone in order to provide the phone number of our contact. We can also provide the email, pronouns, we can change the ringtone and text tone, and so much more, as you can see over here. And then once we are done, you should be able to tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to save the contact. And there we go. And that's pretty much it. Keep in mind that sometimes you might need to also choose the list for contacts. So if you tap on contacts again, or if you have any contacts list selected, then you should be able to tap on this arrow in the top left corner in order to go back to contacts list. And you can, for example, store contacts in specific lists. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.